Once upon a time, in a lush and verdant rainforest, a symphony of life played out each day. Among the many voices that filled the air, for small insects stood out the humble ant, the diligent bee, the curious caterpillar, and the mischievous grasshopper. The ant, with its tireless march, toiled day and night, carrying food for its colony. The bee, working tirelessly, collected nectar from the flowers and built its honeycomb. The caterpillar, with its curiosity, explored every leaf and corner of the forest, learning and growing. But the grasshopper, with its mischievous grin, spent its days lounging and playing, never lifting a wing to help or work. It watched the ant, bee, and caterpillar, wondering why they worked so hard while it had so much fun. One day, a great storm swept through the rainforest, knocking down many trees and flooding the ground. The ant, bee, and caterpillar worked together, using their unique skills to help rebuild their homes and restore the forest. The grasshopper, however, was in trouble. It had not stored any food or prepared for the storm, and was caught in the chaos. It looked on, helpless and afraid, as the others worked tirelessly to save the rainforest. When the storm had passed, and the rainforest was slowly recovering, the grasshopper approached the ant, bee, and caterpillar, apologizing for its carelessness. The three insects listened, and the ant spoke up, saying, "We have always known that hard work and preparation bring rewards. You, grasshopper, have learned a valuable lesson." The grasshopper nodded, realizing the truth in the ant's words. From that day on, it worked hard and prepared for the future, becoming an integral part of the symphony of the rainforest. And so, the rainforest continued to thrive, with its 4 small insects working together, each contributing in its own way. The moral of the story? Hard work and preparation bring rewards, and even the mischievous can learn the importance of a good plan.